Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a quick comparison of 3 productivity tools: Anytype, AppFlowy, and Notion. I'll explain each one, then break down which is best for what. Let's go. First up, we have Anytype. It's a privacy-focused open source app that stores data locally with end-to-end encryption. Think of it as a Notion meets Obsidian. With an object-based system where notes, tasks, or files are interconnected objects, it's great for personal knowledge management and works offline, but lacks some collaboration features. Next up, we have AppFlowy. This is an open source Notion alternative built for simplicity and customization. It's ideal for teams needing project management or wikis. With offline access and self-hosting options, AppFlowy also has AI integration, but its database features aren't as polished as Notion's yet. Finally, we have Notion, the king of all-in-one workspaces. Notion offers note-taking, databases, calendars, and team collaboration with a sleek interface. It integrates with tons of apps but stores data in the cloud, which might concern privacy buffs. It's versatile but can feel overwhelming for beginners. So, how do they stack up? Anytype shines for privacy and solo users who love organizing ideas offline. Perfect for personal projects. AppFlowy is a team player, great for open source fans needing simple project management with some AI flair. Notion, it's the go-to for teams or anyone wanting a polished, all-in-one tool with endless integrations, though it is less private. If you're privacy obsessed, pick Anytype. Need team collaboration on a budget? AppFlowy is your bet. Want a do-it-all platform? Notion wins hands down. That's it, guys. Check the chart below for a quick breakdown and let us know which one's your favorite. Drop a comment and subscribe for more tech tips. See ya.